Welcome to an architectural marvel that epitomizes luxury living at its finest. The unrivaled 4-bedroom, 7-bathroom residence in Brighton, crafted by the esteemed Martin Friedrich Architects. Nestled just 400 metres from the bay on a sprawling corner block of approximately 950 square metres, this residence seamlessly merges world-class wellness amenities with grandeur and functionality across 4 extraordinary levels, all accessible via a glass lift. Step inside to discover remarkable craftsmanship at every turn, with soaring double-story ceilings and curved surfaces that guide you through multiple living areas, including a formal lounge, media room, fitted home office, library, and an awe-inspiring open-plan living, dining, and entertaining zones. The gourmet kitchen, adorned with marble countertops and premium Sub-Zero, Gaggenau, and Pitt appliances, is complemented by a butler's kitchen and overlooks the courtyard, where a 3.3-metre gas fireplace adds warmth and elegance. Outside, indulge in alfresco dining amidst the landscaped gardens, boasting a half basketball court and an integrated barbecue kitchen with a fire pit. Ascend to the rooftop terrace for breathtaking bay to city views. Retreat to one of the 4 bedrooms, each with en-suites and Fawcett-Stroman tapware, including a ground floor guest suite and a luxurious master bedroom with a marble-clad ensuite and designer dressing room. But the luxury doesn't stop there. Immerse yourself in the private wellness centre, featuring an indoor heated pool, spa, sauna, and steam room. Additional features include an 8-car basement garage with a turntable, a gym, a yoga/Pilates retreat, a cinema, and a wine cellar. With electric vehicle charging, individually zoned reverse cycle aircon, hydronic heated flooring, and state-of-the-art security, this residence offers the pinnacle of indulgence. This Brighton masterpiece offers the ultimate lifestyle of luxury and convenience. Welcome home to unparalleled sophistication and elegance.